This is the question of my subscriber. He is saying that when we run the power load flow analysis of this graph, he is getting some error. First of all, we will see what is the error, then how we can rectify this error. I have directed them how to you can check your error, how you can rectify your error through WhatsApp, but I do not know whether he has rectified or not. Now we are putting a video solution for that. First of all, I will run the load flow analysis and run load flow analysis. I will name it LFA and click OK. The error is, you can see the error is load flow calculation do not converge in the specified maximum number of iterations. For more information, refer to the table message in the report database. I will click OK. Now we will analyze this circuit one by one. First of all, we will analyze the grid. This is the grid. He has considered the grid of short circuit MVA 457.263 mega volt ampere second. This is the short circuit MVA. I can double click on the grid and go to the short circuit. You can see he has kept here X by R ratio 0. We should enter the X by R ratio 14.14, which I have shown in the video how you can calculate X by R ratio. In this video, the way that the thumbnail is shown on the screen. Click OK. Now second thing is that he has used a transformer that is 2 MVA. First of all, I will display the results. I can click here, display the results. In the transformer, we can display the rating kilowatt, and tapping is not necessary for me. I can for cable size, type or length. Okay. Now you can see here the 2 MVA transformer 6.6 by 0.415 kilovolt transformer is used. This is the bus of 0.415 kilovolt, and here it has used a copper cable of 800 meters, but I have selected also to display the size. I will show you here. I have selected for the cable. You should also display the size and type of the cable, but only it has shown the copper cable and length of the cable. It has not displaying the size of the cable. We can double click on the cable and go to the library, and here he has considered the 1 square mm cable. We can increase it 35 and click OK. Now you can see we have considered the 3-core cable of 35 3 single core cables of 35 square mm. Now move to the bus third. This is the bus third. It is 0.41 kilovolt. This is a switch. This is a fuse, and this is a overload relay, and this is motor. Okay. Now we will try again to run the load flow analysis and see what is the is error solved or not. You can see our error has been now solved. We have exactly directed them to first check this and check the cable size. I also directed them exactly, but I want to tell the person the voltage drop is 14.85% of voltage is here. That is very huge voltage drop. This, if you are just for practicing, then it is okay. Otherwise, if this is any model, any work to you, you can pay attention towards this voltage drop. You can increase the cable size further, or you can increase the transformer capacity, or you use the OLTC on-load tap changer. Different arrangements are there, or you can install a capacitor bank here also. You can increase the number of runs in the cable by considering the double circuit, triple circuit. Different things are there due to which, with the help of which, you can correct this voltage drop. Thank you.